Hey guys, today I tested Google's brand new AI video generator. And yes, it's totally free. Can an AI really make videos just from text? Let's find out. Google recently launched AI Studio, a tool that lets you generate videos just by typing a prompt. It uses Imagen 2 technology to generate short, 8-second videos. You don't need to upload anything. Just describe the scene and instantly AI creates a video. Okay, so let's try a few prompts. First, I typed, "A gentleman speak." Let's hit generate. Overall, I'm super impressed with Google AI Studio. For a free tool, it's crazy how fast and easy it is to create AI videos. Would I use this in real content? Maybe with edits, yes. You should definitely try it out. Link in the description.